I am from the United States, the land of freedom and opportunity. I come from China, a country with a rich history and diverse culture. My home is India, a nation known for its vibrant traditions and delicious cuisine. I hail from Russia, a vast country spanning 2 continents with a unique blend of cultures. I'm from Japan, a country renowned for its technological innovations and beautiful landscapes. I'm proud to say that I'm from Germany, a nation famous for its engineering excellence and beer. I come from the United Kingdom, a place with a rich royal heritage and charming accents. I'm from France, a country celebrated for its art, fashion, and exquisite cuisine. I call Brazil my home, a land of samba, soccer, and stunning natural beauty. I'm from Australia, where you can find diverse wildlife, beautiful beaches, and a laid-back lifestyle. I'm from Vietnam, a country with a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and some of the most delicious street food you'll ever taste.